Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, dear students. Myself Rafaqat Ali. Today 24 March 2020 and the lesson of grade 8 number facts and sequences. As we know that we are discussing or studying chapter 1. This topic is 1.4 and we are going to solve this exercise number facts today. These are some points which we will discuss first and then we come towards the exercise. Number facts. An integer is a whole number. Integer is a whole number. Like that 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These all like the whole numbers having no fraction, no decimal, means the complete number. If 2, it means that full 2, not 1 and half or 2 and half like this. And a prime number is divisible only by its own and by 1. These are the prime numbers. Prime numbers, which number cannot be divided by any other number. This is called prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29, 31, 37. All these are the prime numbers. The number which cannot be divided by any other number. The multiples of 12 are 12, 14, 36, 48. These are the multiples, like the tables. 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, like this. These are the multiples. These all multiplication tables are the multiples of the numbers. The factor of 12, these are the factors. Factors mean parts. For example, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors. Mean 1 multiply 12 equal 12. 2 multiply 6 equal 12. 3 multiply 4 equal 12. Like this. These are the factors. The square number is the result of multiplying the number by itself. Means 5 multiply 5, this is the square. Squares like 1 square equal 1, 2 square equal 4, 3 square equal 9, 4 square equal 16, 5 square equal 25, 6 square equal 36, 7 square equal 49, and 8 square equal 64, and 9 square equal 81, and 10 square equal 100, 11 square equal 121. All these are the squares. The same number multiplied 2 times is called square. Cube number means multiply the value 3 times. 5 multiply 5 equal 125. This is cube number. Cube number mean multiply 3 times. 5 power 3. 5 power 2 will be the square and 5 power 3 will be the cube. So now let's come to the next exercise. Exercise 5. Which of the following are prime numbers? You will see here which are the prime numbers. 3 is a prime number or not? Yes, it is prime number. 11 prime number. 15 not prime number. 19 prime number. 21 not. 23 yes. 27 no. 29 yes. 31 yes. 37 yes. 39 no. 47 yes. 51 yes. 59 yes. 61 yes. 67 yes. 72 no. 73 yes. And 87 yes. 99 no. Write down the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Multiples, first 5, 4, 8, like this. 6, 12, 18 and 24 like this. 10, 20, 30, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 20, 20, 40, 60, 80 like this. Write down the first 6 multiples of 4 and 6. Very easy. What are the first 2 common multiples of 4 and 6? You will write, then you can see which one is the same. Write down the first 6 multiples of 3 and 5. Write down all the factors of the following. Factors 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors. Is 263 a prime number? See, this number can be divided by any other number. Yes, it can be divided by 2, 6 and 3. 8, 11. Yes, it is a prime number. How many numbers you can need to divide 263 so that you can not find out? Is 527 a prime number? Let's see which you can divide it by 2, 3, 4. No. So it is a prime number. If you can divide, it is not the prime number. Make 6 prime numbers using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 once each. Make 6 prime numbers using the digits. 6 prime numbers means you can write 6 prime numbers which have the 2 numbers. Like that, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 1 and 3, and 15 is a prime number, like this. Rational and irrational numbers. Now the new topic, rational and irrational numbers. This will be the next, inshallah. Complete this exercise, and inshallah I will be with you inshallah with the rational and irrational numbers in the next lesson.